This is Chito. He's a stray cat. He lives in the street. He's always coming for food in here, so we're trying to train him to go in here because it's going to start raining and snowing in some places. This is perfect for any stray cats or dogs, small animals, small dogs. He's a little skittish right now. It's going to take some time. I might film him again later on when he's perfectly fine. But right now, what I'm doing, I'm putting snacks in there, and he's actually enjoying them. So he's going in slowly. He's getting himself familiar with the whole place, and sooner or later, it's going to be his home. So once he gets familiar with it and he's comfortable and he feels safe, he'll be coming in there. And it's going to start raining soon, so this is perfect timing. All right, today we're going to bring a cat house for outdoors. This is perfect for all weathers, all right? We're going to put it together, and this is pretty much what you get. You get the spikes, too, or included with that. I forgot to mention that. You get the screws. Everything's included, including the instructions and the flatbed and the out exterior of the actual house. So let's put it together and see how it looks. Here's the finished product. So this is the heating pad, all right? The heating pad has a connection. You're gonna need power to connect it, and there is an exit for the actual bed. Now this whole thing, you could remove the front entrance, all right? Velcro. It has actually a plastic mesh. On the other side, I'm gonna show you guys on the other side, there's actually buttons too. You can lock it in place too, so you got only one exit, and he can see through there. Now the whole thing is very simple to apply. This thing comes out through here, all right? We're gonna test out the mat, the heated mat, to see how hot it gets first too. So my recommendation to train them, put some snacks in there, and slowly they'll get familiar with the place, make them feel comfortable. All right, what you guys are looking, this is the actual heating pad, and you can see it heating up, all right? So right now we are about 70 to 80 degrees. That's pretty much the highest it's gonna go. So set this up, make sure you have enough cord, and I'm gonna show you great things about this thing it does. All right, so you don't have to worry about your animals chewing through it or doing any damage to it, but keeps it nice and warm. I know a lot of cats like to scratch this stuff. This is actually pretty good. I'm gonna show you. All right, so one thing about this, that it's nice and warm right now, but you could take this whole cloth off and wash it separate. It does have a zipper here. This is made of metal, so if you worry about them scratching it, you don't have to worry about that. Now it's reinforced by thick plastic, but it keeps it nice and warm for them, so they can lay down and take a nice nap, in or outside, any kind of weather. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.